Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhanu Chandra and I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I'm a first year student into engineering and I'm currently in the second semester. My USN is 1VE23CD007 and my branch is Computer Science Engineering with Data Science. Today's subject is Principles of Programming using C and the subject code for this subject is BPOPS 203. So today we'll talk about the topic arrays in C programming. So let's get started. So the content of today's video is, so first we'll learn about introduction to array. So what is an array and how do we declare an array, initialize the variables inside array and traverse the elements inside the array. So traversing is nothing but accessing the elements inside the array one by one. So second we'll learn about operations on array. So insertion of an element into the array or deletion of element, removal of element from the array or searching a particular element and sorting the array in a required manner. So finally, we'll learn about a program which uses the array. So we'll learn a binary search program and its output. This program uses the concept of array. So introduction, what is an array? So arrays are fundamental data structures used in C programming, so which allows you to store and manage collections of related data. They provide a powerful way to organize and manipulate multiple values of same data type. So arrays are basically homogeneous collection of elements in an ordered collection of same data type under a single name. So creating an array. How do we create any array inside a program to store our data? So first, declaring array in C, you can declare any array by specifying the data type and size of the array. So example, int numbers 5. So array is declared by square brackets. Here the numbers is the name of the array and which is of size 5. So which declares an array of 5 integer elements. So next, initializing array. You can initialize any array when you declare it. So initializing variables in array is very easy. So int numbers of 5, so it creates an array of 5 elements. So you add the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So traversing in an array. So traversing is nothing but accessing the elements one by one inside the array. So to access an element in the array, you use the index which starts from 0. So the elements of array are accessed using the index which starts from 0 to the number of desired values. So number 2, numbers square bracket 2 would access the third element in the array. Since array indexing starts from 0, so we should count from 0, 1, 2, 3. So here numbers is the name of the array and the 2 is the specified location which has to be found. So going on to operations on array. So first operation is insertion. So array allows you to insert new elements at specific indices, expanding the size of the array to accommodate the new data. So we can add new elements to the array using the insertion operation, which is we see the example here. So printf enter the size of the array. So ask the console to enter the size of the array, and we'll store the value in n. So we'll create a new array which is I is equal to 0, by using for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then here a of 2 is equal to 10. So we are storing the value of 10 in the second position of the array. So the next operation is deletion. So removing elements from an array requires shifting the remaining elements to fill the gap, maintaining the array structure. So we can remove any element from any specific position from inside the array. So which help in maintaining the array structures, the size of the array and reduce data loss. So third operation is searching. So we can efficiently search algorithms using linear search and binary search and quickly locate specific elements within an array. So this can be used to find the position of a required element inside the array. So the next operation is sorting operation. So sorting operation can be done on array, which sorting array data in ascending or descending order is a fundamental operation, enables easy retrieval and analysis of data. So the data inside the array can be sorted in ascending order, descending order, or alphabetically, etc. to make the data very easy to analyze. So the next we'll move on to programs using array. So here I have took a program of binary search. So we can find the elements inside the array using binary search program. So this is the binary search program. So first we include the stdio.h, which is standard input output. So then we declare the int main. So we declare all the variables we required. So first we create an array of 20 elements, and we declare I and n, which are variables. We declare left is equal to 0, right and mid, where left and right are the high and low values, which is above and below the element we want. And mid is a new value. Key is the value which we have to find, and f is a boolean value. So f is equal to 0 means it's false, and f is 1, it's true. So if we found the element, the return value will be f is equal to 1. So then we enter the size of the array from the console. So printf enter the number of elements and store it in the n, scanf uh, mod d, and we store it in the n. So and we ask the console to enter the elements in ascending order, which is printf enter the elements in ascending order. So here in binary search algorithm, the enter element should be arranged in ascending order, because the program starts to find the element which is asked by the user in between the array. So if it's not sorted, we can't get the output. So we use a for loop to create a array which is equal to the size of the number of elements inputted in the above statement. So we store the values of array in the array we created, which is a of 20. So here we put a of I. So now we enter the element to be searched, which is asked from the console again. And we store the value of element to be searched in the key variable. So now we give a condition r is equal to n minus 1, which is right side elements which will always be positive than the element to be found. So we continuously decrement the value which is in the right side of the element which we need. So next we use the do while loop here. Inside the do while loop, we create a new variable which is mid, whose value is left plus right by 2. Then if we use the if statement, if the value of array of mid element is equal to the key, which is the element which we need, so we get the boolean function as true, which is 1. We'll break the statement and terminate the program. Or else if the value of the mid value is less than the element we wanted, we will subtract the we'll add one value to the mid from the left side, or else we'll subtract the mid value from one from the right side. This is done while the condition is left is less than or equal to right. So we'll get out of the do while loop. Then if the condition f boolean value is equal to 1, which is true, then we'll print the output as element found at location, uh, the location which is at found. And if it is not equal to 1, which is boolean value will return false, f equal to 0, then we'll show the output as element not found, and we'll return the statement and terminate the program. So output of this program is like this. The console will enter the number of elements, so which is 4, and the elements in ascending order is 10, 20, 30, 40 random elements can be given, and the element to be searched is picked out of the array numbers which we inputted. Then the program will find the location of the element and show the output. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Comment down your doubts and make sure you like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.